Had to get old Yeller out to help me. Just gonna turn it off. So, figured out that clutch was sticking. So the way we did it, had Brock sit up there and then had it in reverse with him pushing on the clutch, and then I'd yank it backwards just to try to break that bond between the clutch and the flywheel. Did that a couple times. It worked, and then whenever he let go, it basically locked back up. So what we did was put it in reverse, and then we just jumped that to that, and did that a couple of times, and then that broke it loose too, and I just had him stay on the clutch for a while. All right. Keep going. There we go. Got it running. All right, so that'll bring an end to this series. I did go ahead and finish this up. I don't know how well you can see it, but basically that's like a 1/8 inch thick or 1/4 inch thick. No, what is that? That's probably a 1/4 It's probably a 1/4 inch thick plastic. I have these studs set in there, and they are about halfway in, so they're not touching the steel, and then I have these bolts going through to hold everything in, so it's in there really firm and steady. You still have another lug, so if you ever want to add whatever else you want to, you're good. All these wires are looking good. So I got the new hoses on here. The old ones were kind of deteriorated, not looking very good. So I got new hoses on here. So now we can say that this has Corvette parts on it, because that was the upper radiator hose on the Corvette. So got that there, and then the one up there. But yeah, I think the wiring turned out really well. I decided not to change out the spark plugs. Just because, like I said, it's running good. I don't hear any misses or anything like that. And same for the plug wires. I was afraid that if I pulled those plug wires out, I wouldn't be able to put the new ones back in with all the new wires. Again, since I upgraded the wires, they're quite a bit thicker than the stock ones. I just didn't think it was necessary. But yeah, basically the only thing is that it needs a new header. And I looked on eBay and it was like 80 bucks. So not near as expensive as I thought it was. Looking good. And the belt, so if you're looking for the belt, it is a B42. This one's from Napa. It's like $17, $18, something like that. I think the other one that came with it was a B41, and it was just an inch too short. I couldn't stretch it enough. So this kind of confirms that I shouldn't be throwing away stuff. Like, I've kept that for about a year now, not knowing that I'd need it, and it came out perfect because there's a couple straight sections this way and a couple straight sections this way. Use my hose cutter. Use my hose cutter and works good. All right, let's just do one more little walk around. Alright, well, that finishes up this series. There's really nothing else to do. Hope y'all like it. Comment, rate, let me know what you think. I'll probably share this video series with whoever the new owner is. That way, if they have any questions or concerns, they can see exactly what I did. And also know that the things that I did was done correctly. At least I feel to the best of my ability. But, alright. Again, I appreciate it. Y'all comment, rate, and we'll talk to you later. See ya.